Another day, another new project. We're gonna go ahead and make a window for this out of plexiglass. The OEM ones are glass, of course, but they're way too expensive. And I have some plexiglass laying around. It's a 1/4 inch thick. I think it'll work just fine, especially because this, having the upper window covers, you're not going to see much of it, so even if it clouds up over the years or whatever, I'm not really going to care. I just want to seal it up and make it look at least halfway decent. So we're going to do that today. So I cut out a paper template to go off of. It worked for both sides. So just trace it out on here and cut it up with jigsaw. Alright, now that we got this piece, we'll go see if it fits on there and see if we need to shave off anymore. Let's see. Well, this definitely was not meant to be a flat window. So, probably gonna have to bend the plastic to make it form fit a little bit better. But otherwise I think it's gonna work just fine. Doesn't look like I need to shave it down. If anything, I probably could have made it a hair bigger. Yeah, I'll grab a tape measure and see about how much of a curve we got here. Alright, so I got this crazy contraption to heat and bend the acrylic or plexiglass, whatever you want to call it. So, sitting against this big pipe that I had laying around, and I'm going to heat it up, and I got a couple of bungees on either side of it to help keep it pulling down, because when it cools it's going to want to relax and then go back to as flat as it can, but I want to keep it from doing that while it cools. So keep those on there and it should help it to actually bend and stay. Alright, so got 3M 08693 windshield adhesive. Alright, so got the opera window on there after everything cured up. So all in all, I think it turned out pretty nice. I'll end up taking that opera window back off because I'm going to be doing paint here pretty soon. But I wanted to get that window done for now, and it's one less thing to have to do later. Alright, well, thanks for watching.